Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to create a Google Drive shared folder. First, you need to go to your Google Drive, log into your Google Drive, then you have to go to this new option on your left. Click on that, then you have to go to the new folder option. Rename your option. I'm renaming it as a shared folder right now. After doing that, you have to click on create. After clicking on create, you can see that option here. You have to open that folder. After opening that folder, you can manage it however you want. For instance, we are adding a new file here. Click on new here and then you will see the file upload. Click on file upload and you can add whichever file you want to add. I'm opening this file here, which will upload the file. As you can see, the file is uploaded. Now, if you want to share this folder with someone, then you have to go to the shared folder, right click on it and go to the share option here. Click on share and you have to add that person's email address or something here. So as you can see, I have added this ID here and I'm sending it to this. You have to make sure that this is selected however you want it to use. If you want that person to edit it, then you have to give the right of edit to here. If you want him to just view it, then you can add it as a viewer here. You can edit as a commenter also, but right now I'm keeping it as an editor. If you want to add some message, you can add it through this also. And after that, you have to click on send. After sending it, that person can enable its link. So as you can see, that person has received a folder link here. He has to click on open. After opening the folder, he can see that also. And if he want, he can edit it as of he wants. You can also manage access for whom you want to give access to and whom you don't want to give access to. As you can see, you have got the option here who has visited this link and of what role he has edited and if he has edited something or not. So that's how you can create a Google Drive shared folder. I hope this video was useful for you, and if it was, then make sure that you like and share this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.